Alright, today we have a large LED light slash fan. It has a fan built in. If you guys can see, this actually rotates a certain direction, but we'll take a look at the side of it, which is all bambooed. Alright, this is all bamboo here. You guys can see that. Beautiful, elegant design. Very simple to install. You're gonna need a live, neutral, and it does have also a ground that you have to set up. Now the great thing about it, I like that it comes with the control here. On and off, all off. This means that it'll turn off the fan and the actual LED light, different tones, and then you could turn it up or turn it down, dimmer, and then set up your wireless in different modes for the fan. All right, 1 through 6 in here. And this is for forwarding fan and reverse fan, and you can set it up for 2 hours and it'll turn off automatically. So we're gonna set it up and see how well it works at night. Alright, let's take a look at the controller itself. We're going to do a comparison with the controller. So on and off, we got the off and on button here. And then we can always dim it down to like a sleeping mode. Very calm, very soothing. And we're going to turn it off, turn it back on. We're going to go back to the case. We're going to go to the first one. This is one of the tones. We're going to change it. 2 and 3. And then it goes back to normal. Now, we're going to set up a couple things you should know. You could dim it down here. You could change the case here too. But we're going to turn on the fan. So we're going to put level 1. We're going to turn on the fan on level 1. Level 6. Look how quiet it is. Turn on some lights so you guys can see the fan on the level 6.